Hello everyone and welcome to the OneClass channel. My name is Donna Riel and I'm a recent master's graduate from the Material Science program from the University of Ontario Institute of Technology. So I also took my Bachelor's of Science at this institution as well in the Pharmaceutical Chemistry program. So today we're going to go over some commonly asked questions in chemistry at the high school, college, and university level. So if you needed any help with homework or with tutoring, then check out the links in the description below. So now let's just get started on our set of questions for today's session. Okay, so question 1 asks, how can ppm be calculated? Okay, so ppm is the short version for parts per million. So the term ppm is typically used if there is a small quantity of compound compared to the overall mixture's mass. So there are some like instrumental analytical devices that can detect very small concentrations of certain elements up to the ppm range. So they can detect very small amounts of, let's say, like trace metals or like small amounts of pesticides in like water or like in wastewater. So this is when you would use the term ppm. So to calculate for ppm, if we have the quantity of the substance, we divide this by the quantity of the entire mixture. And then we multiply this whole thing by 1,000,000. So I'm going to write it in scientific notation, which is 1 times 10 to the power of 6. So that's how you know that something would be very small in order to use the ppm concentration. Because when you have the quantity of a substance and then you divide it by the quantity of the mixture, and even though you multiply by like 1,000,000, you still get values that are around like 6 or like 10. So you know that there is only a small amount of that compound in the overall mixture. So the junior tutor said that parts per million is a unit of concentration used in chemistry. This is used to describe the concentration of a substance to a mixture of substances. Most of the time, this unit of measurement is used if the substance has a small quantity compared to the overall mass of the mixture. The ppm measurement can be calculated using the equation quantity of substance divided by quantity of mixture times 1 times 10 to the 6. You can see that the ratio of the quantity of the substance to the quantity of the mixture is multiplied to a magnitude of 1,000,000, hence the name parts per million. The quantity may vary from mass to volume of the substance, and many more types of measurement used to measure the quantity of a substance. Like similarly, there's also ppb, which is parts per billion. So this is even smaller of concentrations can be described using parts per billion as well. So this solution is correct.